What's up, YouTube family? Today, Monday 30. Today is Monday, July the 30th. Is it 31st or 30? Anyways, Monday, July 30. It's an update on the recycle project. We already have the rotors. It's gonna have to clean it up, but the rotors are there. I already have sets of irons, 4 ports, 6 ports. You guys, I haven't even seen so much movement on the comments below, so I haven't even picked who's gonna be the lucky one. So keep leaving your messages behind or under. So anyway, we have the rotors. They're already washed. I'm gonna have to scrub it, clean it. We already have the timing cover. Those are not the housings. Those are for another build I'm doing. The other one is the ones I have right here, which are the ones I'm shaving. Remember the ones I shaved the letters? I still haven't done this one yet, but the one in the bottom is done. So anyways, those housings are not the ones. Those are for another build. This is for some food up north. We already have the oil meter pump. We already have this with the OMP lines. Of course, whoever takes it, I'm gonna tell it to pre-mix. We already have the stationary gears. I already have the Eshaft. I just have it inside. But yeah, that's an update. The parts are already here. I already have all the parts. So keep leaving your comments below. Any suggestions, you know, let me pick who's gonna be the lucky one, and then so we're gonna talk about it. If you guys have a stick shift, automatic, 4 port, 6 port. But yeah, that's an update. I already still have to finish the housings, shave the Mazda 13B letters on the housings. I still have to clean the rotors. I have housings, I have the irons, I have the OMP, I have the stationary gears, I have the Eshaft. Let me show you one of the other rotor. I have it in here. I already have one side clean. I was in a hurry, so I had to go do some other stuff. That's why I haven't cleaned this side or the insides or this other pocket. But this one right here is already clean. I already have all the setup, the counterweight, the needle bearings, flat washer, oil pump gears. I have oil pump there. That's the Eshaft right here. That's some other extra parts I don't even need. Flywheels, counterweight, stationary gears, fuel injector, oil injector. Timing cover for my Turbo 2 irons, another housing sitting there, and then right here is a hand pick of the best Apex seals I have laying around. These are almost on spot, like almost close to new, so I'm gonna have to go through all of them again, make sure all the dimensions, all the sizings are perfect, side seals and everything. So hopefully today's the 30. I don't know if this one has 31 days or only 30 days, but a couple of more days I'm gonna be done with the rotors. I'm gonna go through all the Apex seals. I'm gonna do that process on video, and then I'm gonna assemble the rotors. So they're gonna be assembled. We'll show you guys how to assemble the rotor, Apex seals, side seals, corner seals. On the corner seals, I'm still debating. I think that's the only parts I'm gonna throw in new, which are gonna be solid from Atkins. Well, yeah, stay tuned.